got it good. You're good enough, got it good. Me say you're good enough, got it good, good, good. Got it good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Got it good, 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 good. Good, 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 good.
Alright, so for my foundation, I'm actually wearing my Sasha Cosmetics Second Skin Foundation in Spice, and I'm wearing everything Sasha Cosmetics, the setting powder, the fallout powder, the white powder, everything that I'm wearing on my face, my foundation is Sasha Cosmetics. So I'm going in with my Beauty Bakery palette, no stranger to this, and I am thanking Beauty Bakery. They're the reason why I'm doing this video. They sent me a couple items that, oh my god, I've vlogged about this, but I'm just gonna say it anyway, that Customs held on to, and I'm like at my wit's end with Customs. It's like, I don't know. I just feel like for us business people in Jamaica, I just feel like we'd have some form of leeway, especially vloggers. For us vloggers, YouTubers, I really feel like there should be like a different charge for us because it's a business. I don't know. Maybe because it's a business, that's why they're charging us much money. But to clear this package alone, Customs charged me $10,000. That is 90 something US dollars. Just to clear the package that Customs sent me. So it included this eyeshadow palette. They sent me a new one, but I don't want to touch it because I think we'll be doing a giveaway with that palette. So I'm going to leave that palette as in its packaging and everything. But this is the one that I bought myself and I was using. So I also got this palette in the package as well. This is their Scoops palette. This is their face and body palette. Now I wasn't sure how I wanted to use this because, you know, I love me a smoky eye. But I was like, you know what, let me go a little bit light on the eyes, you know, and just work with what I got. So I swatched them, as you can see my swatch mark, and it's really, yo, like these colors are pigmented. I use this orange one just between my brow bone as well as my crease, and it has, I think it has a little bit of shimmers in it, but not a lot. But I wanted to use different colors from the palette on my eyes. I'm just using this brush to blend out to merge the colors, to blend the colors together. So now I'm going with this color. This is going to be my eyeshadow color, and I'm just going to sweep it on my eyes, and this is going to be the eye look for me. It's very rare that I do an eye look this light because I really love smoky eyes, but it's what I chose to do. So I'm going back in with the Do It For The Gram palette, and I'm taking this brown, and I'm just going to use that to give my crease a bit more depth, because I do have hooded eyes, which is why I favor smoky eyes and cut creases so much, because it gives me pizzazz with my eye shape, my eye type. So now I'm going to grab my mascara from Maybelline. Maybe she about it. No, maybe a Maybelline. And my Sasha eyeliner pencil. I'm going to line my eyes. And I have great news, you guys. Yes, honey. We are coming back hard this year, honey. Blinking, beautiful. My pomade lashes. These, I'll be using them for the series of this video. These lashes are called Toda. These new lashes are going to be praise related, because then you have different names of praise in the Bible. You have Toda, Yada, Kara, a bunch of them. This is what Toda looks like, and I love it so much, so much. Oh my god, look at that, it's gorgeous, isn't it? It's so beautiful. It's lovely, ain't it? I love it, man. It's gorgeous. So hopefully we can restock by mid-May. The Puma Fitness belts will be restocked in the first week of May. Look at this. Look at the packaging. I mean, the packaging of this was, it blew my mind. And around it, listen, I do business. I have my own company. I know about packaging. Everything is paid for. And for their lip whips, they're called a lip whip. For the lip whips to be this affordable, that is cray. For all this packaging, bubble, oh, look at Toda. For all this packaging, bubble, and look at the applicator. The applicator is everything. So this is in the color, oh my god. What color is this? BRB, guys. BRB. Raspberry tiramisu. It goes on very light, but then it just gets a little bit thick, and then it sets completely matte. I love it. So that's raspberry tiramisu, and this other color is called coconut mango, guys, honey. So I did an ombre lip, quite easy. So whenever you're working with ombre lips with the matte lippies, apply them when the other one is still wet or damp. You can't apply it dry. You know, you can apply it dry as well, but I like applying it where the consistencies are almost the same. So now I'm just patting over my lips with the powder brush I used to do all my powderings. And I'm going in with this color as my highlight. Now this highlight does look a little bit ashy on me, I must say, but everything comes together whenever I set it. And I use my setting spray. Everything melts. It looks a little bit ashy, but everything melts. And this is going to be the color that I use for my blush. It's very pigmented, and this blush also has a little bit of glow in it, and I loved how both of them fuse together. This palette is really good. And face and body, see how big the pans are? Yes, see how big the pans are, so it's excellent for face and for body. So this is the makeup tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Beauty Bakery, thank you so much for sending me these stuff. They're absolutely, I love them so much. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Do not forget to join my makeup classes in Tamarack, Florida. Yes, girl. And we're having $200 off. So grab that deal while you still can. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.
Oh my, I blend these styles like tie-dye. Every hater, they get high fives, reflect greatness. That's why I shine Canon. OMG, that's my guy. You can't stop us, tell us watch right minor. Just know that when you step in, it be casa. They say that I'm too extra, that's my problem. Word up on the street is that you knew it.